We did more wiring, lots more wiring, and we made a bracket for the grounds because I needed that to finish the harness. This so we have a good place to ground all of our wires for all of our gauges and all of our switches later. Now we have 10 spots, so it should be very nice and sturdy. Should be very easy to work on, very easy to use. Should be very nice. Okay, the short little harness we made goes from the ignition coil. We actually had to change ignition coils because the threads were all chewed up on the one I had. I don't know if that one works or not, but they're not expensive. We can replace it if we need to. Signal wire from that to the tack, signal wire from that coolant temp sensor right there to the gauge, and then a signal wire from the oil pressure switch right here. And we had it all nice. This convolute, we're going to zip tie it right here, so it'll be out of the way of the exhaust. It won't get hot, won't get hit by any of the belts, won't do anything weird. And then we're going to run that along this same route here through that firewall. That's going to go. It's going to go to three endings. One's going to go to the tack. One's going to go to the oil pressure. One's going to go to the coolant temp gauge. But we also are going to need 6 other wires off of that harness. We need 3 power wires and 3 ground wires for each of the gauges and for the lights and everything. So, but we can run those 3 power wires and ground wires pretty easily now that we have that plate in place. That's what we did. See you tomorrow.